Here's a public web map. We can find the empty properties with residential, with specific area. So we're looking at the empty parcels for here for investors, but you see it's very busy location, so hard to find it. But the question is how to find the best spots for location for all the city, for all this scale. Hello, I'm Peter. I'm taking care for digital technology and location intelligence into real estate market. Today I want to show you step by step how to find the best location for a specific area, like city limits. With this scale of data, we're talking about thousand or couple thousand parcels. We're using GIS tools to find empty parcels with specific zoning, with custom area, and also with addresses. So all this information will be integrate, and also we export results to spreadsheet to easily figure out by yourself some conclusion. So let's get to it. First of all, we have to find the data set. I recommend go to the county's website. So we type Marine California GIS data. So we have two results here. Let's take, okay, here we go. We have a county's government data set. So we see have categories with specific subjects, and also the fundamental for us data is parcels, address points, building footprint, and also zoning. So just we have to click here and the data is loading. So we have 96,267 parcels. So a lot of information is here. Just click the download. I recommend to go to geodatabase, just download here. Also this one and this one. So we have all resources here. So the data provider is government, so I guess it's current and good quality. So I'm download this data set. Here we go, and just unzip for the folders. Okay, here is the ArcGIS app. We have to add the folders here. Here's the, just click the button, click here, and you have to click the data set what we extract. And first of all, we want to import the parcels. So we have the parcels for all the counties. We want to find information here. So we have not too much information because we have some parcels, parcel property ID, shape area, and to be honest, nothing else. So we have to enrich the data to be sure it's everything will be have more data here. So we want to first import also city limits. So we have you want to change the color by symbology. Let's do that by proper name. So we have some results. Let's transfer it to like that, but we want to the label, open the label here, settings, and we can do more. I'm looking to hello to highlight more the name. So we want to focus for this region. So let's let's do that. First of all, we have to enrich this data, the city limits, with parcels to filter only for San Anselmo. So we go to the analysis and we do a spatial join. So we select the parcels city limits, and we want to use have their centering. So that's more important because we want to understand. We want to only select for inside of in the city limits, and we're looking only the proper name. So we can remove all of them. Not necessary, just hit the running. Couple of seconds for results. So here we go. Let's open again. So we have new attributes here. It's a city name, so we can use some function to filter out. Hit the properties, go to the definition query, and select the proper name by San Anselmo here. Just apply. So we see we have results for San Anselmo. Let's do that also for this one. Let's definition query by proper name San Anselmo. Click here. Okay, looks more. It looks good. But we want to change the boundaries because it's hiding the parcels, so we can change by like that, and we want to change some colors like more like orange, for example. Okay, so we see the city limits here, and also let's type the parcels like bluish with white borders. So let's hit apply. Okay, looks more clear. So we have some data. And also we could add some transparency here, like 60%, and we have the background for satellite images. Okay, we want to import the building footprints. We go to the building, add to current map. So we have buildings footprint, and we want to extract only the parts without the properties, with the free about building. So we go to select by location. We select from the parcels, intersects by building footprints, hit apply. Okay, so this 4605 location has the building. So we want to save this information. So we go to the analyst tools and we type calculate field. So we want to type building by text with arcade, and we type yes. So just hit the run. So we have new columns with this information, and let's reverse it. And we type here no. the run. Let's go to the properties, definition query, and we want to add one more parameters, built-in is equal by no. So you see we have a couple of locations with the for invest, not too many. It's 186. So this region is very busy, I guess. Here is some location. Here's the park. So we want to understanding where is possible to build in. Okay, we want to import the zoning right now. And okay, it's not looks good, but hit the table and see the content here. So we have the commercial with some residential, so many of them we have all information here. So okay, it's perfect. Go to the analysis tool, special join, and we want to join the special parcels with zoning. Okay, this one, and we select the have their centering, and we can remove object ID, create username, date. So only this one, shape area length. So that's it. Let's see the results. Okay, so we have new table with the content about zoning, so it's good. Let's select only single family residential, so we can go to the again to the properties, new query definition, zoning description, and we can select any category like you want. Select this one, and also our zoning is specific planning, so because this exists. Hit apply. So we have 112 results. We disable other layers. So we have a clear answer. We see it's close for any neighborhood with zoning, so it's a good location. Should be a good location. Maybe no, this one looks some tricky, but here we go. Here's the location. Here is here. So we have some tools to filter many of queries about information. So it's great to find some new location that's not the published in the market. So it's fine. Also, we can try enrich the data with the street name. Let's see, it's possible. Go to the again to the address and apply the address. So you see we have the address for the all the location, mostly not the total, but some location had the address. So we can enrich the data. Okay, we go to again to the analyst tool, special join. Special join. And we want to enrich again the parcels with this one by points, and is within what's good. Invalid relationship. So I guess will be contains will be good. Let's see the table, what we want to enrich. We want to, okay, we have the formatted address here with the jurisdiction. So we take and just hit the run. Okay, here we go. We have a city. So we have information what the building have is building. We have zoning information, addresses, and also some area. But let's take some area with this one. Let's do more simple like that. I want to show you one thing about the area, because in default the calculation was by planner, so it's the flat surface. We recommend go to the geodesic, is more precise. So let's see the difference between the default calculation and the new one. Okay, we have 5 feet different. So the more area have bigger difference, and also we should calculate again with current value. So we hit the add here. Let's type fit by double and numeric with 2. And also we can calculate by acres. So we type the acres here, also double and with numeric by 4. Too easy to understand it. So we could save it, go to the table again, and we just click the right button, calculate geometry. So we calculate by area geodesic, and we select the unit by feet. And this is important part, we have to be in the same coordinate system. So here's the fit for the California, so it's perfect. Any other case we have to figure out each time for a local coordinate system. Here's the local, so it's, the calculation will be good. Okay. Oh gosh, I did only for one location. It's not what we're looking for. We want to geodesic fit for all the parcels. So let's see the difference. It was this one. You see, it's 5 feet difference. So this one will be much more accurate. And also let's calculate by acres. Okay, let's select acres. Okay, perfect. So we have some location. The higher score was 5 acres, or almost 5. Mostly will be much smaller. I recommend to do some categories, because we have, it's 112 here, it's not too much, but we have maybe some thousands. I recommend to do new category. So if you go to the its category, I mean about area, between maybe 10 or 100, something like that. So I'm recommend go to tools and type here field calculation field. So if we select this one and type category, we can type the code here. So we can do that for ArcGIS. So we can type per area who is ArcGIS. Sorry, not this one. We want to select locate and again bar. Let's type here area is across. Area is small than equal by area 1 or 0, 1. I guess it's 0, 1. Let's type return less 0, 1. See. So let's copy and paste again. We type again new one 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1, and we type from 0, 1 to 1, and we can calculate this one and sorry, we have to type here else if. Okay, also else if. Okay, let's type this one again. Let's type 0 from 1, sorry, here from 1 to 5. We get results 1 to 5 ArcGIS and we close it. Hit the run. Okay, we have some mistakes here. Okay, I guess we have to type here. If I type here and just hit the run, we have the categories. So it works. So we can create a new symbology here to understanding by to split by each category by area. So you we can let's remove that. So we have some category by area or specific area, so we can use that. So anyway, let's jump to the spreadsheet. Features to join. Features to spreadsheet. Sorry, not to join. Or Excel. Table to Excel. Okay. So let's select this one and let's save it here. So we want to set here. Let's take this one and rename by Parcels and single residential. Just run. First of all, I recommend create that by table. So we have the table here by shortcut. So we have the information. First of all, I recommend use the slicer. When we select some category, for example, let's select the slicer. We want to category and zoning, for example, description. And also, yeah, and zip code, for example. So we have some tools to quick filter out some information. So quick here we go to the residential or this one. If you want to focus only for the two, just let's select the function key, and so we can go to this one and this one. So we have a great function to filter out. The zip code in this case is only one, so it's not very in this case it's not very useful, but overall zip code for 1000 could be much different. The city will be different, so it's good. But what I recommend, I go to the, you have to sync it by your account, and go to the ArcGIS tools and add this plugin, because sometimes we can lose the connection between the relationship between the location. So this is the free tools to you can replace the location. So see it's a location here for empty parcels. We can select that or search tool, so it's many of them. You select here, for example, yeah, so let's filter this spreadsheet. You have the filter, you can export to separate tab, so each parcels can be more function in spreadsheet, so we can not lose the connection between map and the parcels. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. I guess this method will be perfect for you for find the new properties, what's not the market, but with looking for specific parameters. You can go to the address, ask the owners, so it's possible to do that without this manually selection by public resources. So maybe it's a good option for you. Let me know if you have some questions or problem with this steps. I will be in touch in comment. Thank you so much. Bye.